So this is a new Sony smartphone, the Xperia T.
Exactly, it's Xperia T.
So what's new with this phone?
What's new with this phone? Sony tries to introduce here the NFC technology. NFC technology is a kind of near-field communication, but it's just this little tiny chip you can see in here.
Yeah.
You see it's small and tiny, and what also means it's very, very efficient. When I'm talking about NFC, just to keep it simple, I'm just playing here the music, for example. You can listen to the sound in here. Yeah. At the moment it's at the headphone. I'm having over there a Bluetooth speaker, a Bluetooth headphone, and another Bluetooth speaker.
Okay.
The connection was in the past quite complicated. To connect a Bluetooth speaker with a smartphone,
yeah,
you had to switch the Bluetooth on, and then you had to find the settings, kind of the speaker, any kind of speaker.
Yeah.
Sometimes it was quite complicated also because for some devices you also need a password. What Sony tries to show here, just by one touch,
Bluetooth is synced. So there's NFC there. And how long is the battery on this speaker?
the battery is 5 hours, up to 5 hours.
Nice. Nice. And to stop? How do you stop?
So you have two channels. One is just to stop in here, but then Bluetooth is still on. Or, for example, now the music is still keep going, or just disconnect it with one touch again. You see it's disconnecting, and the music also stops and Bluetooth is getting switched off again.
Nice. And you can do the same with headphones?
I can do the same with the headphones.
So this is a wireless Bluetooth headphones?
This is a wireless Bluetooth headphone. For example, if I'm just playing here the music, just that I'm not cheating, listen. You can see the NFC sign here. Here's
It's only on that side?
It's only on that side.
Okay.
It's connecting.
Okay. And then the music's coming out of this one now. Yeah. Cool. So this is very simple for the NFC. And what else is new? Can you explain this phone, what it can do? So what is the CPU in there?
It's an Android 4.0 display. It's not display, it's software.
Yeah.
You have a 4.6-inch HDMI display with BRAVIA Engine. So what is the screen? 4.6. It's
720p?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you also have, for example, a 30 megapixel fast capture. Snap from sleep to snap mode. That means, for example,
Let's take a picture now.
now I'm having a standby mode. I'm just going on these things and already took the picture.
So it has
Here's the picture now.
camera in the market.
The best camera in the market.
One of the best.
It's one of the best because we also built in our XMOR sensor.
And it's fast.
It's fast as well. You have also kind of different menus. For example, if you take the motive view, it also realizes faces.
And this phone is actually very nice. Actually,
It's very, very
thin.
slim.
How thin is this?
I don't know exactly how thin it
It's
is.
crazy thin. There's a nice feeling in the back.
And it's also
It's shape. You can see it's a little bit rounded. So it has a crazy fast processor. Is it Qualcomm?
it's 1.4 dual core.
Dual core Qualcomm.
Yeah.
Qualcomm S4, the new Qualcomm processor in here. And here we have the SIM card, micro SD. SIM card, micro SD, and HDMI. What is this port? HDMI?
This is a micro USB for recharging.
Micro USB for recharging, and
Or for example, the docking station to the computer.
there's a docking station somewhere, right?
For example, here, but it's with alarm. You can't but you can see it. It's getting connected.
Nice. So what's the difference between the T and the TX?
The difference between the T and the TX, it's just, for example, if you keep the mobile, that's the T and that's the TX, it's just the buttons. But the T will be launched in the European and American market, and the TX is just for the Russian and Chinese market.
This is Russia and China. Okay.
Exactly.
How soon is this in the market?
It will be, Sony tries to introduce all products here before Christmas, but this product, this mobile smartphone T, will be after the IFA available, so it does mean maybe at the end of September, beginning of October. And with the Xperia T, we also have a cooperation with the James Bond, so it will be also seen in the James Bond movie.
James Bond is going to have this phone.
James Bond is going to have this phone. It's a nice new gadget.
What's it gonna do with it? Make something explode?
We will see at the premiere.
You haven't seen it yet, the movie?
Not so far.
All right.